editor, when you get into the editing box, you can change the background image. You can change and put your own logo up here. Then, of course, when you put the code in there, that's going to be your video, nice and big, whether you're selling product or comp plan or whatever. It's going to be right there. And you can change the buttons right there and have your own chat role. And you can duplicate and use any part of what I'm about to show you to sell anything that you want. Let's start with the granddaddy page of them all, the lead capture page. What kind of lead capture pages can we create? Do they look cheesy? Are they up to speed with 2015? What's up? So let me show you a couple. Here's one. Let's say that you had this kind of an affiliate offer. Simple free system, creates 5 and 6 figure earners. This powerhouse of a system is easy to use and a massive earning machine. All right. So maybe the words don't sweep you off your feet. Maybe they do. But look at the design. Okay. This is some kind of a form of template that you can use that you can then edit and swap out the headline, change the subheadline, change the timer to whatever you need, and it's collecting a lead. That's why they call it a lead capture page. It makes an offer to a select market. If they want to see the information and the videos or whatever, it's offered here. Then they just simply put their email address in a box. They click to go check out whatever this person was advertising. Now here's another one. Right? So there's a timer. I want you to look at what it says right now. It says, sorry, this offer is expired in your area. Hit refresh to attempt to open additional slots. Right? So I had this page waiting, and a lot of people think that the whole timer thing was not going to really take the offer away. So this is what happens if they wait too long to fill it out. The offer actually goes away. Let me reprogram this thing and refresh. All right, so now you're seeing the actual offer. And again, the background image, you can change it to be whatever you want. And you can also change this writing, change the color if you don't like that green, if you want to keep it red or white or whatever. You can change the button here, right? But the thing is, you have some clean, mobile, responsive templates to use on your lead capture pages to brand you, give a good offer to your market, and pick up some leads and build your list, okay? So that's another look right there. And then there's this one. This is pretty cool. This one, see the picture? I'll let you see the picture for a minute. Bubbles everywhere, person underwater. All right, check it out. Lies bubble forth from the mouths of the greedy. Free system creating 5 and 6 figure earners, right? Let's say that you're doing a little Coke versus Pepsi, right? You're doing a little comparing and contrasting of different competing offers out there. Let's say you're doing a little bit of AT&T versus Verizon, right? This is kind of a way that you can set up that kind of presentation, collect leads, really aim it at a target market, let them see this. What? Lies bubble forth from the mouths of the greedy? What is this person talking about? Free system creating 5 and 6 figure earners. What is this? I haven't seen this yet. And then bam, they put their email address right here and they click on get the truth. Now, to make this congruent and to make this convert, I will tell you a little bit of marketing training right here. Wherever people are coming from, whatever the post was, maybe they used the exact same words and the same exact image on a Facebook post or an Instagram, and the link that people hit to get to the page, bam, brings up this page. That means market to message has to be right, and then they hit the right congruency, right? Whatever they just clicked on to come see, it matches, and they're going to keep making these micro little commitments all the way inside. All right. So that's another one. Let me show you another couple of lead capture pages. Let me close this, close that, close this one. Let me show you something for general purposes that I use a lot just to build up my list. Maybe people are following on Facebook and they see a couple of posts and this and that. Maybe we're at the beach enjoying a good time with the family or whatever. And then at the end of whatever picture post or whatever the post is, or Instagram or whatever, there's a link and an invitation that says something to the effect of, you know what, I spent my entire day, and it's a Wednesday in the middle of a hump day. Everybody else was on the freeway going to their master's cubicle with the ball and chain around their neck of an ID card, and they're going to spend their whole day in some cubicle getting disrespected and getting underpaid and overworked. At the same time, I put my family in my car and we went to the beach and we spent the whole day there. We had a little picnic, had a fun time, and I can do this because of the power of time freedom created by my internet business. And if you want to learn how it is that I'm doing what I'm doing and creating cash flow on the internet, you want to click the link on this post and go see the free video that I've made for you that explains everything from soup to nuts. Right? And then there's a link. Maybe that was a Facebook post with a picture of us at the beach having fun. And then they hit that link and bam, they come to something like this, where it says, amazing, this has to be the simplest way to cash flow online, right? Something as simple as that. Now my post did all of the selling, inviting, and prepping them to come inside of my list. So my lead capture page really doesn't have to create a miracle here. It's just a stepping stone to the inside that they already want to see. Right? So the marketing has already been done. They come in. Now this puts their email in my email autoresponder. They begin to get the follow-up emails that invite them to this hangout and to the video sales letter and to whatever the offer is. You guys see how cool that is? All right, so what I want to do now is I want to show you another example. Let me go inside my system actually. I'm going to go and show you the back office now. So those are a couple of examples of what you can do with lead capture pages. What I want to show you now, how are we doing on time? We're doing good. We're doing good. All right, so now let's see. You saw a couple of lead capture pages. We can show you a whole bunch of them in our training and all that stuff. So what I'm going to do now is what happens after. Let's say that you're in a program and you made a specific post on Facebook to generate leads. They went over to that capture page. They put their email in the box, but you're not really ready yet. You don't think they're ready to go see somebody else's sales presentation that is done on your behalf. You want to do a little intro video first. Let them know who you are, where they can go if they have any questions, and then let them know what you're about to see is a really awesome automated selling video that makes me money day and night, every single day on the internet. You can use it too. Click the button to go see what system I'm using that generates cash flow for me on the internet, right? And so where are you going to put an intro video like that? We call it a bridge page, and let me show you an example of one. So I'm going to go over to the website section here on Power Lead System. I'm going to go to web pages. I'm going to go to my web pages right here. As you create different pages, you have a growing library here that will show them to you. Okay, so I'll show you a couple of these right now, but let me show you a bridge page because that's very important. It's kind of in vogue these days. People love those bridge pages. So Franco bridge page right here. There's two of them. VIP video number 2 right there. So let me show you this one and Franco video follow-up page. Actually, this is the one I want to show you. So let me go here. Let me click. See how easy it is to test these once they're created. You can click, and bam, you're here. So let me stop the video. Let me explain this now. So let me match this up. Let's say that you just came from a lead capture page that looked like this, that told you I was going to show you some free videos to show you the simple way that I'm creating cash flow on the internet. Now, before I send you, let's say, to my Power Lead System sales page, let's say I wanted an intro video to introduce myself, give you my contact information, invite you to my Facebook if you had any questions about the presentation. And now that you're ready to see it, go ahead and click. I edify. I endorse it. I let them know this is the vehicle I'm using. Go watch the video. You're going to love this stuff. And if you have any questions, now you know where to find me. Okay, so that's the kind of information that I would have on an intro video like this. Okay, quick little 2-minute, 2-minute, 1.5 minute, just, hey, here, if you have, I'm going to show you something awesome. Here's my contact information. If you need me, I'm here. Go check out the system, right? Now, let me show you something. So you see the color here can match your lead capture page, right? You can put whatever color in the background in the editor. You can kind of choose your color and bam, this can be any color that you want so that you can match it to whatever your header graphic is, this header banner up at the top. You can make this branded to you. You can go to Fiverr. There's a lot of people inside of Power Lead System that know how to create these to the perfect size and everything, right? The system itself tells you what is the best size for that to be. And then if not, though, you can go straight to Fiverr and let them know, hey, I want something like this that brands me. This is what I wanted to say. This is kind of what I wanted to look like. And you can get them done on Fiverr for $5, $10, super duper simple. They'll send you the image. Then when you create this page, you just pop it in there. Very easy to do. So now you have a completely branded follow-up page. You can copy this if you have like a daily video that you send to your list or one video a week or whatever it is. You can copy these as many times as you want, pop in the appropriate video, And how do you sell with this, or how do you continue the selling process? It's real simple. These green buttons below, you can program them to take the prospect anywhere you want them to go. For example, here's what I did. So obviously there's a sales message here that I want them to go watch after my intro. So it says, click here to follow through, right? That's my call to action. Hey, follow through, click the button, go watch the next video, right? And so when they click on there, that's where they would go to whatever video sales page that I want them to go to. So how about the ones that have questions? So I created this button. It says, hey, questions, ask me here. When they click on this button, they go to my Facebook. That's where they go. So I have them coming back to my Facebook to post or send me a message with any questions, or they click through and continue to the sales presentation. You could also put your contact information down here, and you are good to go, my friend. That is a good follow-up bridge page template. You can sell whatever you want through this thing, and it's good to go. You can make unlimited lead capture page with the system. You can make unlimited bridge pages with the system. And so those are lead capture pages, and you have a phenomenal array of templates and designs where you can just go in here. Let me show you the library, okay? I'm going to click on Manage Websites. And this is going to open up the library. And this is where you can come and you can click on the thumbnails here of any of these pages. As you create them, they're populated here. These are all the ones that I've been shared with share codes. Oh, that's another good point too. Whenever you create, let's say that you're an experienced leader and you create a selling funnel. You create a lead capture page and a bridge page, even a sales page to anything that you're selling. And let's say that you have a team of distributors or affiliates under you. Well, you can easily click to share your page and give your team the share code. And then they can just install the share code in their back office here. I'll show you where that's done. Going to go to web pages. And when you go to web pages, see at the bottom here, it says my sharing codes. Then I go in here and you can create or pop in a sharing code right in here. And these are the ones for my team that I've been using, right? And once you do that, whatever design has been created, whether it's a full funnel or a simple lead capture page, whatever's been created and linked to that share code is now in your library. So now you can go back to the website library and go find the template, right, that you want, and you can click to copy it, make a copy of it, and then you can attach it to your autoresponder. And so that's lead capture. You have unlimited lead capture page ability here. Let's talk a little bit about the email. So today I invited people here, and this is how I did it. I create a broadcast email. That is an email with just one email in it, an email campaign with one email in it that I can always come in here, click on it, and send it to my whole list. So to do that, let's say you would go in here to add a campaign. See where it says add a campaign here? I'm not going to do it. We don't have time to do this whole thing. I have training tutorials everywhere. We have training on this already. But just so you know, you can create your campaign here, write your email, and then save it. And then to send it, you just come into the email section, you click on send email, send campaign, click on that, and now it's going to open up this list. And everything in Power Lead System works off of very simple step-by-step numbers. So first you do number 1, then step 2, then step 3, right? So step number 1 would be to identify it. And let's find mine. Mine is called Broadcast Hangout to your list upcoming Power Lead System. This is the one this is the one right here. Broadcast PLS Hangout Franco same day. So I would identify that and click on it so it selects that email. Now, I'm going to leave number 2 as it is. It's going to send me a copy so I can check for typos and broken links. And then number 3 here is when you're brand new, you're only going to have one list, right? So this won't be as large. I've been with Power Lead System since 2006. Okay, since before there was a Power Lead System, I've been using this company's marketing tool suite. So that's why I have so many lists here and a bunch of contacts. So but it's easy. If you have a bunch of lists, no problem. If you want this one email to go to everybody, you just click on select here. It'll select everyone, see? And then I just scroll to the bottom and I leave number 4 the same. Don't mess with that. I leave number 5 the same. I don't mess with that. And number 6 says choose date to send email. I just click there. I leave it on